No, the other direction.
Yeah! Let's do it! Aggie, you can do it! I believe in you!
Yeah, go Aggie.
2.
Don't die! Oh.
Anything get destroyed.
Aggie, are you okay?
I think it's good.
My poor baby.
Is everyone okay? Gary Oldman okay? Gary Oldman is fine. We don't need the bags. They're all good?
They're all good? They're all good.
Really like...
I guess it's all. I'll throw it at Ina. Now let's go to the 9th floor and see how many make it. So it works.
Now guys,
That's
Bleeding?
okay guys, so this is an amazing activity, but since we're running short on time, we're going to bring this meeting to a conclusion. So,
we have to make an announcement very quick.
or just the game to a conclusion. So if everyone could just sit down and you can hold on to your 8 concoctions.
We good.
And I'm going to have Chris make an announcement.